Rickson, right wheel, mark.
You're going to be in their center.
Forward.
One step in front of them, guys.
Left, 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 right.
Keep step with the man in front of you.
Left, 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 left.
Kimball, what number were you?
Five.
Put your ankle in. Henry, hands in, bro. With your arm and touch the man in the small of his back in front of you.
Left, left,
That works
right,
if you're in step.
left, 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 right.
Inside man, grab an 18-inch circle. And when you do a wheel, if you're doing a left wheel, your eye mark. Not far out to their front end. Guys, either you need to pick up your step. And then look too far behind it. Fall.
Right, face.
On the limber, mark.
Push down the limber, mark. Rear face. Rear face.
Start with number one.
Take equipment. Number one.
When you return, make sure you return them. All the odds should be over here. Should be over here.
Number two. Number three.
I guess I'm in front of you. Guys, remember, always take it with your outside hand and pass it underneath. You are number three. You hang on to it.
Alright guys, when we do put this away, we need to make sure we do not put the lanyard in if there are primers.
Please.
Number four. Number five.
Anthony, after you rear face them, you can either give them to your post mark, post on the piece mark. I haven't found that one's more correct than the other.
Rear face. Post on the piece. Mark. And then take implements. Take implements.
Do not advance. Primer has failed. For instructional purposes only, 180 seconds has elapsed. Reprime.
You come in with your body facing the wheel. There you go. Take that chalk out of your way. Don't want anything in there that could potentially trip you up. Smack it on the back of your hand when you get that. Get your military facings.
Like this here?
I mean, when you pick that worm up, rear face. Good problem.